Good morning, class 9th. Today I am going to teach you about the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus first described by Camillo Golgi, who was a scientist, and he was born at Cortino, that is near the Brescia, in 1843. Okay, by the name of the Camillo Golgi, this membrane bound structure name is also Golgi apparatus. Okay, now Golgi body, or we can say Golgi apparatus, that is consists of a system of membrane bound vesicle. You can see that there is a membrane bound vesicles. They are parallel to each other and their structure are flat. So membrane bound vesicles parallel to each other in stars, and this spherical structure is also known as vesicles, and both of them make a Golgi apparatus. Okay, these membranes often have connection with the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum. Means to say, these membranes connect with endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, therefore constitute another portion of a complex cellular membrane system. When they are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, they constitute a complex cellular membrane system. The material synthesized near the endoplasmic reticulum. In the last topic, I told you about that endoplasmic reticulum, in which the rough endoplasmic reticulum is a site of protein formation, while in smooth there is a site of lipid formation. So both of them are manufactured there, and after that there is a requirement of dispatching them. So by attaching, or we can say by the connection with the endoplasmic reticulum, okay, the material synthesized near the endoplasmic reticulum is packaged and dispatched to various targets like plasma membrane, like nuclear membrane, inside and outside of the cell through the Golgi apparatus. Means to say, all type of dispatching after the manufacture in rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, the dispatching are taking place with the help of this Golgi apparatus. That is the reason they are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum all time. Okay, so as I told you that it is the function of the Golgi apparatus is that they stores, modifies and packs product in vesicle. These are the vesicles, bag-like structure, which store substance for dispatching, modify them and pack product in vesicle. It is involved in the formation of lysosome. Lysosome is the next topic which I will explain in the next video. So in the formation of lysosome, they also help. It forms complex sugar from simple sugar in some cases. The simple sugar like glucose, maltose, they convert, Golgi apparatus convert these simple sugar into complex sugar for the function of the cell. The fourth point is that it is involved in the synthesis of cell wall and plasma membrane. As I told you in the video of endoplasmic reticulum, that they specially synthesis of cell wall and plasma membrane. Overall, we can say the Golgi apparatus and endoplasmic reticulum both are working for giving the structural strength to the cell. In this diagram, you can see these are the membranous bound structure which is present in the tube-like structure, which is present parallel to each other, while the spherical structure that is present are known as vesicles. So the first part, that is known as trans region, the second is medial region, and the third is cis region. I hope you understand all these things. If you have any queries, then you can ask it to me in Zoom class. Okay, bye bye.